Thank you for stopping by. In this video, I bring you Igbo lesson. We are going to deal with this word, maiden, or a phrase called single woman, woman who is not married. And we are also going to look into the dialects, different dialects in Igbo land, what they call it, how they pronounce it, and so on. So if you look up here, it says, Kedụ ihe ndị be unu na-akpọ nwaanyị na-alubeghị di? Kedụ ihe ndị be unu na-akpọ nwaanyị alubeghị di? Gịnị ka okwu ahụ pụtara? So in English, what do you people call a single woman? What does the word mean? First, I would like you to know that in Igbo land, there are code of dressing. The married women will dress with wrapper. They will put on and look somehow more dignified or more big and more with wrapper. This different way of dressing in Igbo land is not the same with an unmarried lady. Single ladies, they dress more like miss, and the other people dress more like madam. So, and they also act differently. You know, when you see a miss, auntie, no, miss, just miss, maiden, when you see them, you will know. And the name we are talking about is actually called alubeghị. A single lady in Igbo land is called alubeghị. I will take you to BBC Igbo. You will see the comments of people and their different thoughts. Mostly in the end, they put beer. If you talk about youths, the unmarried men in Igbo land is also called okorobịa, agbọghọbịa. The unmarried men, okorobịa. The ladies, agbọghọbịa. And when you talk of dialects, I will show you very soon the many dialects that we can point at. The moment you are married, you will be dressing similar to this. You will be now referring to ndị nne, ndị nne kwenu, ndị mama kwenu. So here is the right spelling for this agbọghọbịa. Nwa agbọghọ in Anambra. So Anambra people will call nwa agbọghọ. Nwa agbọghọbịa. To complete it, you have to put bịa. So in our mama or Idemiri dialect, you will call it Olu zone in Imo State. We call them nwa or nwa agbọghọbịa. You see? So here is Asaba, nwa agbọghọ. And nwa agbọ izu. This is dialect in Anambra. Nwa agbọ izu. You see, I don't even know this one. Nwa mgboko. In Ebonyi State. In Ebonyi State, you call them nwa mgboko. Nwa mgboko or nwa mgboko. Easy. So these are some of the different in Eza, Nwamboko in Eza in Ebonyi State. There are a lot of different dialects. Ezago, Mbuga, Ikporo, Nwa agbọghọbịa in Ishiago local government. So in Ebonyi State also, Nwa okpoko, Nwa mkpoko in Iza. There are a lot of, in Abriba, we call them Nwa agbọghọ in Abriba dialect. See, so there is a lot of, you can see them for yourself. I will not want this video to be long so that you can consume them all. So thank you for watching. Anytime you come across a young lady, a maiden, not married, is called in Igbo dialect nwa agbọghọbịa. In a short way, nwa agbọghọ. So thank you for watching, and ka ọ dị mbọsị ọzọ.